So you could be very highly emotional and not still be free to feel. This is why this offering is called Free to Feel. It's because it's about actually knowing how to tend to our emotions as they arise so we can access more freedom. People will be either overly connected to their emotions and stuck in the loop. So every time you have a thought, there's a chemical reaction that is your emotion. And then that chemical reaction in the body goes back up to the brain and creates a thought. And so that's why a lot of times, like if you're wallowing in something where you're like stuck in rumination, it's because you're stuck in that cycle that's happening, which is kind of how the system works. Or you're afraid of the feeling and you're disconnected from it. So neither one of those is really where we want to be. It could be a little bit easier maybe to be an emotional person and have the emotion arising, except it doesn't really make a difference because you'll feel victimized by it or you'll feel stuck in it, or overwhelmed by your emotions if you don't know how to work with it. A lot of people also will tend to feel really confused by their emotions because they're stuck in that loop. So the reason that we're doing this practice today with the breath, is the most transformative tool I've found, for working with emotions in particular. But this breathing pattern is so supportive because it creates a container of love, which alchemizes the energy. So that's why when you feel an emotion come up while you're doing breath work and you allow yourself to be with the emotion, but also stay with the breath, you don't get stuck in that story